Drawings are an important part of any patent specification. Could be utility patent or a design patent, which is in India called as industrial design registration. So drawings are very important in these. 2D, 3D drawings are important, and there are specific guidelines that how you have to provide those drawings. Like in case of utility patents, you have to provide 2D line diagrams. It's not like if you have prepared a prototype, you just click the photographs of that prototype and put it in the drawing sheets and submit to the patent office. So it's very sure that you will receive an objection that the drawing sheets are not as per the rules and acts of the patent office. So that's why 2D, 3D drawings as per the guidelines of the patent office need to be provided. So they have to be prepared through softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and there are special requirements that there should be no content written over the drawings, there should be no measurements, no written content, and these should be very clear, broken lines if disclaimer should be added, and all those specifics based on your requirement and based on the patent office requirements need to be matched while submitting the drawings. Similarly, in case of design patents, patent office asks for all the views of your product as 2D, 3D drawings or as photographs. So if you are providing line diagrams 2D in 2D or 3D, then you have to provide isometric or perspective view and front, back, top, bottom, and angular. From all angles you have to provide the line diagrams of your product. And it's very important that you take professional assistance in this, because I have seen that if these drawings are not filed in a proper format, definitely objections are received, and this really delays the process of you getting a grant over your patent, should it be the case of utility patents or industrial design registrations. So that is why through patent service providers or through some special people who are engineering sketch designers or product developers, it's important to get all the 2D, 3D drawings prepared through them and use them for your patent purposes, and not the prototype photographs or rough diagrams or a photograph of a product which is not yet a final version of what you're going to sell in the market. So that's important.